Hey class, so the book that I'm going to read you today is called Fish Eyes, a book that you can count on. And the title of this book gives me a clue that this is probably going to be another counting book again. And it's written and illustrated by Lois Ellert. And Lois Ellert, her style of pictures are usually really similar. In a lot of books, they're actually made out of fabric or pieces of paper that she's cut out and pasted on, and then she takes pictures of the originals. So I am excited to read this book. So it says, swim along through this book with me. So we're going to follow this dark little fish. He's kind of hard to see, but we're going to follow along with him as he swims through this book. So I'm going to get really close so that you can see him. So here he is, and he says, hurry up. And there's black fish and green fish and some yellow fish, and then this little brown fish. Fish Eyes, a book you can count on. It says, come join me. And there he is again, that little brown fish. What a tail, he says. If I could put on a suit of scales, add some fins and one of these tails, I'd close my eyes and then I'd wish. Look, he says, wow. That I'd turn into a beautiful fish. I'd flip down rivers and splash in the sea. He says, will you dance with me? These are beautiful fish. I'd swim so far you would never catch me. I'd see. Follow me. One green fish. One green fish plus me makes two, he says. I think that might be a barracuda. Two jumping fish. Two jumping fish plus me makes three. And I like their eyes. Three smiling fish. Three smiling fish plus one makes four. Four striped fish. Four striped fish plus one makes five. Five spotted fish. Five spotted fish plus me makes six. Six fan-tailed fish, and you can see the number 6 and the word 6. Six fan-tailed fish plus me makes 7. Seven flipping fish. Seven flipping fish plus me makes 8. 8 skinny fish. 8 skinny fish plus me makes 9. 9 flashy fish. 9 flashy fish plus me makes 10. There's that cute little brown fish again. 10 darting fish, and they look like seahorses. 10 darting fish. So long. Then I'd keep swimming until I would see. He says, keep flipping. All those fish eyes looking at me. He says, if you could truly have a wish, would you wish to be a fish? Goodbye. Hope to see you again. And that's the end. I like that in this counting book that all of the things in the counting book were fish. Maybe as you make your counting books, you decide to make all of your things in your book like the same type of thing. Like maybe it's different kinds of fish, maybe it's different kinds of flowers, maybe it's different kinds of animals, or different things like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this counting book about fish by Lois Ellert, and I look forward to reading your counting books or hear you read them to me. Have a great day.